Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Rabbito Farmino. It's a nice morning out here in the garden, and I promised to do a live, so I'm gonna honor my promise. But instead of doing a long live where I'm waffling and I would rather bring you a video here. And also I like to give you a landscape video so you can watch it on your TV and stuff like that. There is mommy, and what she's expecting me is to give her something fresh, and that is the way I roll with them. So she's expecting something fresh. I'll just pull just a dandelion, and there you go, baby. Here, she wants something fresh because that's how I roll with them. So this is a view of my morning routine with them. Obviously I'm making these videos so I won't have my full hand, but this is what I do in my garden. Yes, is purposely built for rabbit, so I pull anything that's not rabbit food. So let me just get some fresh kale. I have some fresh kale here. Let me get some fresh kale for them. She's expecting something because that's how I roll with her. So this kale will do. This is fresh, so sort of simulating what happens in the wild when they have something fresh. Hello, you. Let's give you some fresh. Let me open it. I know. You want something fresh, don't you? There you go. Come on. Don't be shy. Here we go. This one here, she will eat it, but she's still not very, very friendly. But she's a mother. She's hormonal. You have to give that to her. And first thing, she's go and check if her babies are all right, just to show me. Have you got something to show me? Don't come out. It's not safe out here, baby. It's not safe out here. Right, so we're going to see the babies, but today we're going to do it in a reverse way. We would first of all go and check out the... Let me get my coffee. Sorry. Where did I leave my coffee? Oh, there. Sorry. Right, so we're going to check on all of them, and then we come back and check on the babies today. So yes, there is a good development going out there, sorting out the workshop and organizing the back. I might build a couple of hutches here and here. You see the progress, but let's check on them. Let's check on everyone. There is Manye, the queen mother. She's munching some fresh there. Immediately she sees me, she goes there to hide. Manye is a very quiet type, but she's been big in there for some reason. Well, I know it's not for some reason. I know she's been bred not too long ago. So she's hormonal again. And what you hear at the background is Bao calling my attention. So let's learn something here. She's hormonal. When they take seed, when they get pregnant, they become hormonal. So she's very hormonal now. So she's doing all sort of things. Like what she's done there is like she's trying to dig down there as an instinct. It's an instinct for them to dig and start looking out for where to give birth and stuff like that. So that is really not anything unusual. It's really normal for them to do that when they are pregnant. So I'm going to change that after I've spoken to you, or after this video. But she's very neat and clean. As you can see, she doesn't mess up too much. She does all her business in that section there. Let's check out this lady here, Our Lady of Mercy, Blacko. Blacko is Blacko. Blacko is Blacko. She uses the box there to do her business, but she also poo-poos everywhere. And she keep moving her pellet. Luckily she hasn't thrown it away today, but she keep moving it. So that is Blacko for you. Let's go and check on Rabbito. Rabbito is a New Zealand red. Rabbito, and he is also warming up slowly. He's getting familiar with the place. He's jumping up and doing his things nowadays. So as you can see, he's doing his zoomies and his morning training. And yeah, he's no longer shy and running away from me. So this has been probably 3 weeks since I got them, and he's now ready to be himself. So I'll try to entice him a bit. Try to entice him a bit, but he's doing well. He's doing well. So yesterday I had to put this plank there that you're seeing there, because between him and Toy they have a beef. As you can see here, he's chewed his part, and where I've patched as well, he's chewed it. So I decided to be the peacemaker and block that way, because when two males clash, it's not nice. It normally comes with injuries and stuff like that. Here's Toy. All right, Toy. Come here, Toy. And Toy is also a male. It's a doe. Sorry, buck. And he's now settled, and like I said, I'll make a separate video. Since I put the litter box there, he's now become much more settled and chilled out, rather than fighting. And when you don't understand your rabbit, their reaction, take a minute and ask yourself, what have I done different? But obviously he's using the litter box now, and the room is quite clean. That just tells you that these guys are creatures of habit, and you have to keep up the habit. You have to keep up the same, where you give them the food. They want it the same place, the same area, and therefore, when you make a change, they will react to that change. Let's go and see the girls. Hello, Redo. The girls I haven't named yet, but I will. Just looking for the right name to give them. But let's check them out. They are also warming up to me now. Previously, you see them running off and running away and then trying to go and hide. But look at them now. They are cool. They are quite settled. Want some name suggestion for these two? Someone is being an anarchist behind me. Have you got rabbits? What rabbits have you got? If I'd like to know. Trying to create a community where we speak about rabbits. And then we talk a little bit about rabbits. What they are up to. Hello. Hello, you. Are you doing something? Whilst your sister is munching. Thank you. Let's go and check out Bao. I know he liked me to spend time with him. He was protesting earlier on. Like, can you not see me? I need you. Well, I need you more, Bao. Hello, Bao. Bao, Bao, Bao. Mickey Bao. Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Good morning, Bao. Good morning, Bao. Just like that. Good morning, Bao. Did you have a good night? Did you enjoy your night? Good boy. You are a wonderful boy. Bow, bow, bow. Hello. Hello. Bow, bow, bow. Hello. You're so special, aren't you? You're so special, aren't you? Oh. I need to see everyone and I'll come back to you. Then we can have a chat. How about that? Can we have a chat later? I want to show the babies. So can we have a chat later, please? Bao. Please. Don't be like that to me. Don't be like that. But you want to give us something? Okay, go on then. The Bao Show. The Bao Show. Go on, we're looking. We're watching you. Go on. Go on, give me something. Give me something, Bao. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. There we go. There we go. Give me something. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Who is a good boy? Give me something. Come on. Well, that was a kick. That was a back kick, wasn't it? Oof, that was a back kick. That was another back kick. Give me some more. Come on. Oof, that was... Oof, oof, oof. What was that? What was that about? Bow. What was that about? Ooh, that was a sharp one. Sharp turn and twist. Oop. Oop. That was a sharp turn and twist. That was a zoomy. Oof. Oop. Oof. Oof. That was a zoomy. You gonna give us another zoomy? Bow, bow, bow. So this one here is my therapist, so it's just a wonderful kid. Sometimes you run into luck and you meet some of these rabbits with wonderful temperament. And he's only 5 months old, but he's huge. He's a father. He's a father already. And can't wait for his babies to get old. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow. Don't worry, you'll be coming to the garden very soon. Let me go and check the babies. Let me go and check the babies, baby. Please. I know you don't want me to go, but I have to go. Okay. Now let's check the babies. Babies are still there. Let's see how they're doing. Mommy coming to take a peep, see what's going on here. Hello, mommy. You know it's me. The babies are all right. It's a bit cold, so I'm not gonna be here for long. She is investigating. And surely she's telling me something. Don't go near. No, she's all right for me to do it. Let me do it quick, because I would rather not disturb them. They are sleeping. I'll try to get a late few videos of them, but at the moment I don't want to touch them because it's a bit cold, it's a bit nippy. Hello, mommy. I know. Hello. Just checking on your babies and I'll be gone. I don't know if she's done the morning feeding already, but yeah. There we go. They are all kicking, getting big by the day. My palm is cold, so I'm not going to touch them. Just want to show you a glimpse of them. And we can see a lot of fur growing now. A lot more fur growing. I'm not going to harm your babies, you know that. A lot more fur growing, and yeah, as soon as they hear a movement, they think mommy is here, so they want to come up and suckle. But mommy is not here yet, so let me bring you in a little bit. Mommy is not here yet, but this is day 4 for them, and they both seem to be doing very good. So I'm gonna cover them because it's a bit cold, and so this is Rabbito Farmino. Thanks for watching, and I'll bring you another update tomorrow. But all is going well in the garden and everybody is fine. You're gonna say bye. 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 See you soon. Rabbito Farmino.